Friends, this is simple veggie fried rice with minimal ingredients that you can make quickly at home. Nothing fancy here, just simple, basic ingredients, some rice, some veggies, a couple of spices, some soy sauce, and that would be all we need. Let that cook. And I dice these onions and a little bit of garlic up really fine. Fried rice can be made many ways, but this is just a very simple, basic one, friends. If you like easy recipes, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and join me in my kitchen at Ms Donzella Cooks. It's my YouTube channel. I'd love for you to join me and subscribe to the channel at Ms Donzella Cooks for easy, very budget-friendly recipes. So now, let's add our veggies. I'm also going to be using some ground ginger and some ground white pepper. You can add any type of vegetables or meat to your rice dish. And this is just using leftover rice. This is one way to use up leftover rice, or just a change in just plain rice. You can add meat to this dish, whatever you like. Make sure it's made with a lot of love. Simple ingredient. Okay, friends. I'm going to add some more rice. And I did use a little bit of cooking oil. I already had that. I cooked my onions and garlic in the cooking oil. So just the rice stirred up here. This is leftover rice. I'm going to season this with a little ground white pepper. Not much. Some ground ginger. Not much. You don't want to use too much ground ginger because it'll make your rice bitter. So now we'll add a little bit of our soy sauce. Not too much, friends. Soy sauce is salty. You can get low sodium soy sauce. I'm using just regular soy sauce. And for dishes like this, friends, I like a little sweetness to mine, so I'm going to add a little teriyaki sauce. Totally optional. You do not have to do this. And it's just regular teriyaki sauce. Just gonna give this a taste and see what it tastes like. That's really, really good, friends. We just need just a little bit, just a little bit more teriyaki sauce. For me, I'm gonna add a little bit more teriyaki sauce. So teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, just a little bit more ground ginger. I'm gonna turn my stove off. Let's finish with this dish. And there it is, friends. Just easy. You can add green onions to the top. I'm not doing that. It's just very simple, basic stir fry, veggie stir fry that you can use your leftover rice. But here again, friends, thank you for joining me in my kitchen. If you like easy, budget-friendly recipes, I'd love for you to join me. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and Ms Donzella Cooks. Thank you very much, friends. Have a great day.